Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a green and yellow spiral. Decide where you want the center of your spiral to be and spiral it up, then secure it with rubber bands or kite string, whatever you prefer. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add the dye. Once you get the top side all dyed the way you want it, flip it over and repeat this on the back side. Once you've added the dye to your shirt and have it saturated the way that you want it, it's time to cover it, either wrap it in plastic or set it inside of a bin and let it batch for 24 hours in 70 degrees or higher. It's been 24 hours and now it's time for the rinse out. I start by using cold water, and that's to rinse out any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fibers, and gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs clear. From here, I'm going to take it to the washing machine and do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol. I do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft. From there, I'm going to put it in the dryer and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried, and I think it turned out really nice. It's so vibrant. Yellow and green, you just can't go wrong, especially for summertime. It's beautiful. This was inspired by the University of Oregon. Go Ducks! And I left white space because I wanted to have 2 white swirls on this shirt, but the dye crept and we ended up with these results. And I'm not mad at it. I think it looks really pretty. What do you guys think? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.